So, what is going on with Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and the CPI? Hey, everybody, this is Chris talking to you from the YouTube channel for Swap and Go and the SNG token. So, what are we talking about today? We're talking about Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and the CPI. There's some big things going on today, all right? So, let's get to it. First, as I always do, I just want to show you a little bit about Swap and Go. In case you haven't watched me before, yes, I am representing Swap and Go and SNG token, but I'm going to bring you a whole bunch of other news here in just 10, 15 seconds possibly, or maybe a little bit more. We have our own little DEX here. It has all kinds of utility on it. It's got a swapper, which you can do token to token. It's got limit swap. We have staking. If you go here, let me go over here to this one on the other screen so it actually works. The DEX works. My computer's had to be clicking on the right computer. We have 264 tokens and counting. And we have two different chains. You go right over here. We have Binance. We have the Ethereum chain. We have Binance, and pretty soon that's going cross chain, just like our pre-sale was. So we had a pre-sale which ended last week. We are expecting our launch is this weekend. All right, so come check us out. And if you didn't get in on a pre-sale, definitely look to getting in on the launch. Pretty soon you can be seeing SNG token everywhere as far as marketing and everything goes. It's going to be amazing. Come and do this. Come see us and, get yourself some. It's my opinion, not financial advice, but I think it's a good move. You go down and like and subscribe. It'd also be very much appreciated. So without any further ado, what the heck am I talking about with Bitcoin, CPI, and Shiba Inu? All right. So let's just take a look at this. I'm looking right over here at my phone, and we have Bitcoin going back up. It just jumped like $100 and something in like one fell swoop, as Bitcoin can do. We're at 68,274. Earlier today it was almost to 70, then it went down to like in the 66 range. Now it's back up to 68. It's bouncing around. So what is going on? Well, in a nutshell, here's what it is. I saw a debate last night on our Telegram group, which is fine. Debates are awesome. Some people were saying that, investments and such things always go by facts. Other people were saying that it goes by emotions. It's a very emotion-driven thing. And you know what? I'm on the side of more like the emotion-driven thing. This is how the markets work. They go by emotions. You can spit facts out your ears, and it doesn't always go that way. All right. Human beings are the ones that are doing the markets. They are the ones that are driving everything. When people get afraid, it's an emotional thing. They sell, things like that happen. When they get excited, and it could be excitement about something that's real, or excitement that's, these people are thinking about this is the way it's going to be. And all of a sudden things explode out of nowhere. Right. It's all emotion driven. It's it's got to have some facts to back some things up, but it's emotion driven, right? So crypto downturn nukes 190 million leverage positions as traders eye the CPI data. All right. So to consumer price index, what is going on with inflation? People get nervous, and the traders will be like, oh my goodness, I don't know if the CPI is going to do this. I don't know if the CPI is going to do that. And it could be the same thing with anything else really going on in the market. People get nervous. Sales are made, leverage positions got nuked, as it said, right? And we had a bit of a downturn. So what happened, with Shiba Inu? We have this over here from, which one is it? FX Street. It says Dogecoin Shiba Inu on-chain metrics support price decline as meme tokens bleed. And meme tokens were a bleeding. So why? Probably because of the CPI data. All right. You can see this chart right here. It says SHIB supply on exchanges has hit its highest level in nearly 6 months, as seen in the sentiment chart below. and you can see the amount of Shiba Inu on the exchanges, which means when people are moving them out of their wallets into the exchange, they're probably looking to sell, right? And that volume went way up. People were eyeing the CPI data. So what happened with the CPI, right? What did I just say that, it was like $100 or so that it jumped up? Well, why? It says meme coins among largest gainers following the market recovery after lower CPI inflation data. So what happened? CPI declined, which is like your inflation, right? It declined to 3.3%, lower than estimates of 3.4%. So once people got the good news, they started buying again. Here's my opinion, not financial advice, it's my opinion. If you know that people operate on emotions and you see how it's operating emotion, because people were just thinking, what if the interest rate goes up? Well, then things would bad. So they sell. Then they get the good news, then they buy again. It's all about how people are feeling about things. If people had believed that the CPI was going to go up beforehand, they would have been emotionally buying like, this feels good. I think things are going on, they have a good feeling about things. They would have been buying, nothing would have gone down. So since the CPI came out, Bitcoin is going up, SHIB has been going up, things are looking better again. So I think, things are going to turn around. If you've been wondering why the market has been going down the last few days, well, this is more than likely it, okay, that this has gone down. So anyway, that's just what I wanted to report to you for today. And, please go to SWAPNGO.EXCHANge, whether it's on the ETH or the Binance. We have really good trading rates over there. It's really easy. We have token to token, limit swaps, all kinds of things, many more things coming out. And I'll be getting to those things maybe in the next video or two. Okay, so remember, our launch is this weekend. Come and check us out and get yourself some. My opinion, not financial advice. Have a great day. Bye now.